everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora. If you're new here, thank you for dropping in, and if you're a seasoned subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I have another unboxing for you, and this is going to be for the Chanel Deauville Tote. As some of you know, my collection consists of Louis Vuitton and Gucci, so this is my first Chanel purchase and I'm very excited about it. It's such a beautiful bag. I'm going to be going over some mug shots and close-ups of the bag that I purchased, and I'm going to post up here the different colors and styles that they have on the Chanel website right now. So since I'm about 2 hours away from a Chanel boutique, I called ahead of time to find out if they have the Deauville that I was looking for that's on my wish list. And the essay that I spoke to did have the one that I wanted. So when I did go down to go see it, she surprised me and she had the one that I want, not only the one that I want, but different color combinations of the one that I want. So I was very excited to go ahead and try those out. So I'll be showing a clip of the different color combinations that they had of the style that I wanted, and I want you to figure out which one I picked. Obviously, you'll find out which one I picked when I do the unboxing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay everybody, so now we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing portion of this video. I have my lovely assistant here, Stella. As you know, she does my intro videos of my YouTube videos. So she's going to help me get the box out of this bag and the bag out of the box, just because this looks like it's about 100 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and get this going. Okay, let's get started. So I'm putting this bag down. And here is a little card with the receipt. I'll go ahead and do a close-up on this later. And go ahead and untie it. Okay. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this. Oh my gosh, huge box. So have you guys figured out which one I decided on? So we're going to find out in a few minutes. So here's a little flower sticker. and then all this bows. Okay, you ready? How do we do this? I think it's right here. Oh, there you go. Sorry. This is bigger than both of us. So I'll just show you the box. There you go. Then we'll turn it around. Are you ready? Oh gosh, more stuff. Okay. So here's a sticker. There you go. Gotta be super delicate with it. Lots and lots of tissue. Again, this is my first unboxing of a Chanel purse, so oh wow, this is huge. She packed it so nicely, like a gift box, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. There you go. There you go. Show it. Alright, we'll move that to the side. Oh, we got it? Crazy. More tissue, like gift box. Oh, and then here is the dust bag. Oh wow, that's huge. Well, it's good. It's good because it'll fit that bag. There you go. There you go. If you guessed the pink one, you got it right. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up on this, and we'll do some mug shots. All right. So say thank you to Stella, my assistant. So this is the 2020 Chanel Deauville Tote, And this one right here is in the large size, which is 30 centimeters. The colors here is the fuchsia, beige, navy. I know it looks darker, may look like a black on the screen, but this is actually a navy color, beige and fuchsia. The Chanel is in white, so it really pops up with that colors in the background. The CC emblem is a lilac color, and the Paris here is a light blue. Here the handles is kind of like a caramel or a camel colored top handle, and inside has a fuchsia lining. If you look at the shoulder straps, it's also matching to the CC emblem, a lilac color, and it has the chain. I'm gonna pull that right out to make that into a, carry that as a shoulder carry. The material on this Chanel Deauville is in a raffia, and it feels really sturdy and feels kind of durable. So the measurements of this Chanel Deauville is the base is at 15.2 inches or 39 centimeters. The height is 11.7 inches or 30 centimeters. And the width, as you can see here, is 8.6 inches or 22 centimeters. And I also measured the widest part here on top. That measured about 18.5 inches. Inside, you'll see the fuchsia lining, and it has a snap closure with a magnetic button. Go ahead and show that to you. It pops open like that. There's a zippered pocket. Oh, here's the authenticity card. It also has a key fob with a lobster claw clasp. Flip it around. You have one flat pocket and another pocket here. You'll notice here there are some toggles where it will anchor itself for the shoulder strap chain, and you just kind of pull the chain to go ahead and pull it out of the bag. And if you want the strap not to show as much or dangle while you're carrying the bag, you can go ahead and just pull that toggle and leave it in the purse. Same thing on the other side. Just pull on the toggle and you can leave it in the purse. The toggle itself has the CC emblem. And if you have the shoulder straps tucked in there, it looks really pretty in the front of the bag and the back of the bag. And you can kind of have it as long or as short as you want it to kind of add it like a little accessory. So I just wanted to show the style number of the Chanel Deauville tote that I got, and it's this one right here. I don't know if you can see it, and it's in the large Deauville and 30 centimeters. I have 20C and got it during 2020. And so thank you for watching my video on the Deauville. I absolutely love this bag. I love the color combination. I love purple. As you've noticed on some of my videos, if you've watched them, I love colorful bags. And this is very colorful. It has the lilac. It has the lilac down here, the pink, the blue, the light blue. And I love how this Chanel is in white and it just pops out from all those colors in the background. I love the handles. I love the chain. It's just very pretty up against the raffia. I've been watching a lot of the YouTube videos on Chanel Deauville totes, and there's just so many different styles and colors out there, and I'm so glad I was able to stumble upon this color combination. If you can see, it's such a big bag. There you go. So thank you again for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.